Do you know that it has now been made very possible to make money online by just playing games? Yes, you heard me right. That game that you used to play, that PS, that Subway stuff that you used to play without making money. Today, I will show you a platform that you can still play the same game and you will make nothing less than $25 depending on your time. If you're a gamer, $25 to $50 daily just by playing up this game. I know you'll be doubting me, but I will show you that it is very, very possible, and I'll also show you the amount of people that have also registered in this platform to play games and earn. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejikwaji. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about everything concerning finance, how to save, and how to make money online as a total beginner in Nigeria. So without wasting much time, today's video I will show you how to make money online by playing games. But before we continue, make sure you hit on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends, share it to your loved ones so that they can come here and get value, and so that I will grow and feel motivated to continue dropping a video like this. So in this video, I'm going to use a screen recorder to show you how you can make money. Two apps that you can sign up on them, play games, and you make money consistently as a total beginner in Nigeria. Watch this video to the end. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing you do is to come to any browser of your choice. You can be using Phoenix browser, you can be using Opera Mini, but for me I use Google Chrome, and you dial in these keywords of known as misplay.com. I already have it here on my screen. So Misplay, the number one on the list, is known as Misplay. Misplay is a platform where you earn big with friends, and you can also have a referral program here. After playing games, you can also refer your friends and you can also earn big. It says it's a number one loyalty program for mobile gamers. So if you're a mobile gamer, you can come up and sign on misplay.com, as you can see here, misplay.com, and you will earn money. It says discover games you will love and earn rewards for playing all the games that you love, from PSPP to Subway Surf. All the games, they are here. You can just come and sign up on this platform, play games, and instead of just be playing that games to while away time, you play the games to while away time, and you will be making money. Just like I said, the longer you play, the longer you earn. As I said, it says the longer you play, the more you earn. And you can withdraw your money either through cash or through gift card. Gift card, that is, Amazon gift card, all the gift cards that you can actually think of, and you can also use Google Play card, PayPal, and a lot more. You can see how much I've given away. $60 million has been paid to gamers. So you can come up on Google Chrome and type this keyword known as Misplay, and it will be taken to Google Play Store, where you will download this app and you will make money. Just like I said in the beginning, one of the ways you can also earn on this platform is through referral programs. That means if you don't have time to play games, you can just make it a point of duty to be referring your friends to come on the platform. They will also sign up, play one or two games, and you will earn money just as if you are playing game. You can earn up to $50 or to $25 daily depending on how long you play game on this platform. So the second one I will show you again is known as Just Play. Just Play is the leading loyalty program for gamers in Nigeria and all over the world. It's also on Google Play Store. It's also a mobile app on Google Play Store, but you can easily get it from Google Chrome, where you come and dial in this keyword justplay.com, justplay.com, and you'll be given this interface. You can see any game that you can or you wish to play is on this platform known as justplay.com. And just one thing about justplay.com is a game that after playing you can wish to donate your money for the community. So you can come up and sign up on justplay.com. You can see it's more than a game. You can come and sign up here, take you to Google Play Store, you download the app, and you can also decide to donate your money for the clean air tax, for that, for the climate change, for the hunger project, and to help the people who don't have money to go to the hospital. So as you can see here, these are the two major apps that you can use to play and make money online. The first one is known as misplay.com, and the second one is known as justplay.com. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe bell, share this video to your friends, share it to your loved ones, so that they can come here and also get value, and also so that I can grow.